Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's begin our lesson.
Question number 18. What types of corrections in the theory? The answer is zigzag correction, flat correction, triangle correction.
Quote number 12. John Bogle said, "Time is your friend, impulse is your enemy." This is another motivational trading quote to remind you to be patient. Take your time and don't give up to your impulses. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.